Imagine knowing what's happening around your home at any moment, even when you're miles away. No messy wires, no complicated setup, just instant peace of mind. Let's talk about the Nest Cam, outdoor or indoor battery. Designed by Google, this smart security camera combines a sleek, weather-resistant design with powerful features like HD video, intelligent alerts, and flexible placement. Whether it's by your front door, in the living room, or overlooking the backyard, it keeps you connected and in control day and night. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Nest Cam camera with magnetic plate and power adapter, mounting accessories, quick start guide, and safety and warranty cards. Want to grab the Nest Cam, outdoor or indoor battery from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? With intelligent alerts, Nest Cam can tell the difference between a person, vehicle, and an animal. Get alerted about things that matter to you. You can check in on your home from anywhere with 24/7 1080p HDR video. Plus, you also get 3 hours of free event video history. Two-way talk helps you easily interact with delivery persons or other visitors through a built-in speaker and mic. Home and away routines can turn your camera off when you're home, so no video is streamed or recorded until you leave. Nest Cam uses encrypted video, two-step verification, and enhanced security through your Google account to help protect your family's privacy. Specifications. Installation. Start by fully charging your Nest Cam using the provided USB cable. Download the Google Home app on your phone and add the device to your account by following the in-app prompts. Choose the ideal location near your Wi-Fi network for a strong and stable connection. Use the included mounting plate and screws to securely attach the camera to a wall, ceiling, or any flat surface. If you prefer, you can use the magnetic mount for easy repositioning. Make sure the camera has a clear, unobstructed view of the area you want to monitor. Snap the camera onto the mount and adjust its angle for the best coverage. Test the live feed in the Google Home app to confirm the view and Wi-Fi signal strength. Finally, enable notifications and customize your settings for activity zones, motion detection, and video recording. How to connect. Download the Google Home app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Tap the plus icon on the home screen to add a device. Choose Set Up Device and then New Devices. Select your home or create one to continue the setup process. The app will start scanning for nearby devices. When your device appears, tap it to start the pairing process. You may see a code on your device. Confirm it matches on your phone. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nest Cam, outdoor or indoor battery. See you in the next one.